Hi, I'm Nate with the Retrofit Source, here to show you and briefly describe our Bi-xenon MotoControl harness. What you see here is the H4 version of our harness. This will also apply to 9007 and H13 models. This first piece is the control box. Your color may change depending on application. Another main connection here is the connection for your driver's side. You'll see two different colors. The yellow is going to be for your ballast with a link for ground, and the orange will go to the Bi-xenon function of your projector or bulbs. Second connection is the connection for the OEM harness. This will be connect to your factory wiring. This connection here you see with the fuse is for your battery. This supplies power to your HIDs. And the last connection here is for the far side of the car that will connect the passenger side. You'll also see the yellow and orange for ballast and for projectors.